You can come in and have one of these treatments done, and by that afternoon, you're fine. You can go right to work. You might have just kind of like that glow of possibly been on the sun for an hour, but then it goes away and the skin just glows. And what can you tell us about what you're doing there, Par?
The microdermabrasion.
Right. And what is it that goes through the wand? Why does it dermabrate the skin, and how does that work?
It's like sanding the skin. These crystals are harder than diamonds. So it's just like sanding the skin. It removes that dead skin, that layer of the skin.
And how does that feel on your skin?
Feels nice.
I mean, is it painful at all?
No, but just a little tingle.
Just a little tingle?
Carbonate's very good at what she does. It's excellent.
So actually you would find this to be relaxing somewhat. So you can, there's no peeling, there's no burning, there's no sensation of actual, like it is of it's scratching. It doesn't feel that way. It actually,
It's not uncomfortable.
no. But this is really great, especially like right around the eyes for the fine lines. You'll find that when she's finished with this treatment, that those fine lines will start to slightly disappear. And with doing this in a series, you can actually help to diminish a lot of those fine lines and wrinkles. You know, today we're so in tune to anti-aging. We're always wanting to look a little younger than what we are. And this is great too for kids that are having hyperpigmentation problems. Acneic skin actually can help to heal the skin as well. And this is also included, we never talked about our Masters of Makeovers promotion. And just by listening to this show today, that you have the opportunity of buying a $400 package for only $59.95. And one of the treatments is the microdermabrasion. This treatment alone, if you were to purchase it at a spa or at a surgeon's office, you're going to pay around $150. And here today, and over just listening to Michelle's show, you can call 788-8585 at Serenity Day Spa, and you can say, I saw this on Michelle Valentine show, and I'm interested in the microdermabrasion. Your first microdermabrasion treatment is included in your package for $59.95.